Welcome to the GeneDx at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product are in the description below. GeneDx is a well-established name in genetic testing, offering at-home DNA test kits primarily designed for individuals seeking advanced insights into hereditary conditions, rare genetic disorders, and predispositions to medical issues. It's particularly suited for those with personal or family medical histories that raise concerns about genetic risks. GeneDx specializes in clinical-grade genetic testing, delivering highly accurate results with a focus on health and medical insights. Their service includes a comprehensive analysis of genes associated with hereditary conditions, such as cardiovascular diseases, neurological disorders, and cancer risks. The test can also assist healthcare providers in making precise diagnoses for rare or complex conditions, helping to inform treatment plans and preventive measures. The process begins with a simple cheek swab or saliva collection. Once your sample is sent back to GeneDx, their lab performs an in-depth analysis of your DNA using advanced sequencing technology. Results are shared through a secure online platform, often accompanied by consultation options with genetic counselors to help interpret findings and understand next steps. GeneDx distinguishes itself by offering a highly tailored approach to genetic testing, catering to specific needs such as pediatric conditions or adult-onset disorders. They also provide actionable insights like personalized health management plans based on your genetic makeup. This makes the kit particularly valuable for patients, caregivers, and individuals proactively addressing potential genetic health risks. While GeneDx's services are primarily medically focused, they may not be ideal for casual users interested in general ancestry or wellness information. The reports are detailed and may require professional interpretation to fully understand their implications. In summary, GeneDx is a leading option for advanced, health-focused DNA testing. If you're looking for a reliable, clinically oriented service that prioritizes precision and actionable medical insights, this kit is an excellent choice. For more details and to start your genetic health journey, check the links in the description below.